In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FAQ from your sources in NotebookLM. If you've ever wanted your reading to turn into a clear, ready-to-use Q&A, this workflow is for you. NotebookLM can scan the sources you've added to a notebook, PDFs, Google Docs, and web links, and distill the key points into a frequently asked questions list. It's great for quick review, onboarding materials, or study guides because the questions are grounded in the content you already trust. Some versions of NotebookLM use to show a visible FAQ button, but if you don't see it, no problem. You can generate the same result using the chat panel with a simple prompt. The process is quick and works consistently. Start by opening the notebook that contains the sources you want to use. Confirm that the right files and links are added to that notebook so the model knows what to reference. You don't need to reorganize anything. Just make sure the material you care about is there. Next, click into the chat box and type a direct request. A reliable, catch-all prompt is, "Generate a list of frequently asked questions and answers based on my sources." If you want a specific size, say, "Create 10 questions and answers about the content in these sources." You can also steer the result by mentioning a focus or audience level, like asking for beginner-friendly explanations or concise answers for a quick-read document. Keep your wording straightforward, so NotebookLM understands you want an FAQ synthesized from the notebook's content. NotebookLM will reply with a structured list of questions paired with concise answers. Read through the output and ask whether it covers the big themes in your sources and whether the explanations are clear. If anything is too broad, too technical, or missing, refine it right in the same chat. For example, ask for shorter answers, more detail on a specific section, or a different emphasis, such as setup steps, key definitions, or common troubleshooting points. Iterating once or twice usually sharpens the result. When you're satisfied, compare the answers with your sources for accuracy and tone, then save the FAQ. You can keep it in the notebook alongside your materials, or copy it into your preferred document for sharing, review sessions, or handouts. The outcome is a clean, reusable Q&A that mirrors your source material and stays easy to maintain as your content evolves. That's the whole process. Open the right notebook, request an FAQ in chat, review, refine, and save. Simple, fast, and grounded in your own sources.